So if you're trying to figure out how to do text-to-speech on your Instagram account, then I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, and it still works to this date in 2023, so you want to keep on watching. So first things first, you want to click on the plus icon on the bottom, and then now go to Reels. Once you're in the Reels section, then you just record a quick little video. Okay, that's pretty good. And then now what you want to do is click on Next. So now that you have your video done, just click on the text button and then type in whatever you want. What's up? What is up? YouTube. You should not subscribe. All right. So now once you have your text done, you can customize it however you want. Maybe you want to change the color to green and then add some cool effects. Maybe like that. That looks pretty good. And then now maybe we want to change the whatever. You can just play around with that. So now once you have your text ready, at the bottom it shows your text. So you want to click on that. And then as you can see here on the bottom right corner, it says text to speech. So you want to click on that. And then so Instagram has two different text to speech voices. There's voice 1 and there's voice 2. So you can play around and see which one you like. So that is how you do it. Subscribe.